Step into an enchanting waterfront villa where luxury seamlessly intertwines with coastal bliss. Feel the anticipation building as the spacious foyer welcomes you, hinting at the wonders that lie beyond. Get ready to embark on a journey of sophistication and unparalleled design. Now, let's venture outside into the private garden. Close your eyes and imagine a lush oasis bathed in sunlight, inviting you to unwind and recharge. The meticulously manicured foliage creates a green sanctuary, offering a haven for relaxation and intimate gatherings with loved ones. As we ascend to the second floor, the living room unveils itself in all its elegance. Expansive windows open up to invite the ocean's beauty, seamlessly connecting the indoors to the terrace. Picture yourself standing there, feeling the gentle sea breeze caress your skin and taking in the awe-inspiring panoramic ocean views. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Stepping onto the terrace off the living room, you'll be greeted by the salty breeze and a mesmerizing vista that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's a serene escape, a sanctuary where you can truly savor the beauty of your surroundings and let your worries drift away. As we make our way back through the modern kitchen, equipped for both grand soirees and casual brunches, we seamlessly navigate through the heart of this villa. It's a place where culinary creations come to life and unforgettable memories are made with every bite. Our journey now takes us to the third floor, where the villa unveils three spacious bedrooms, sanctuaries meticulously designed to offer both comfort and privacy. Each room is a retreat in itself, a cocoon of tranquility that guarantees a restful night's sleep. On the fourth floor, discover a luxurious guest bedroom adjacent to the primary suite. This elegantly appointed space offers comfort and convenience, providing an exquisite retreat for guests. Together with the primary bedroom, it completes the opulent experience of this coastal sanctuary. And now, get ready for the pièce de résistance, the primary bedroom. Step inside this haven of relaxation and be greeted by breathtaking panoramic ocean views that will leave you speechless. As you open the doors to your own private terrace, you'll discover a secluded paradise, a place where you can immerse yourself in the serene beauty that surrounds you. As you step out onto the terrace off the primary bedroom, the sights and sounds of the ocean create a symphony of tranquility. It's a perfect spot to savor your morning coffee, basking in the gentle warmth of the sun, and contemplating the wonders of the coastal lifestyle. Now, let's explore the lavish primary bath, a sanctuary of opulence that complements the primary bedroom perfectly. Indulge in pure luxury as you unwind in a space adorned with top-of-the-line fixtures and an atmosphere that exudes unparalleled extravagance. As our journey concludes, we find ourselves back on the first floor, a convergence of luxury, comfort, and nature. This waterfront villa, nestled within the palms, promises a pampered lifestyle and an unparalleled living experience. It's a place where every moment is a celebration of coastal living, where dreams become a reality. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey through beachfront paradise. Get ready to experience the epitome of beachfront luxury at the Palms, where every day is a reason to celebrate the joys of coastal living.